Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add international shipping to your Squarespace store. So without any delay, let's get started. First, go to the official Squarespace website and make sure you are signed into your account. Now click on the settings option. Then scroll down and select shipping. Now click on shipping options and choose flat rate. Here you can type the option name, order fee, and item fee. Next, under shipping zone, select rest of the world. And then click save button. That's it guys. You have successfully added international shipping. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.